guys, so for these chords, they're easy. So you're going to need one bar chord, and you're just going to go on the first fret with your first finger and go right here. So you're going to bar only these 5 strings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to take these 3 fingers and put them right here. So on your second, 3rd, and 4th string. That's all you have to do. And you're just going to do this, or you can plug it like that. And you could honestly just do these 3 too if you can't bar it, but it's better if you bar it, but you can just do it here and it will sound fine as well. And then next we are going to do F. So the F is really like, you know, the bar chord version, but I do the inversion, which is easier. It sounds the same. Look. So you can do this F, or you can do this F. For this F, you're just going to go on your first fret, 1, 2, and this one's going to go on the 3rd, and then the 4th, so it'll sound like that. And then we're going to go to the C, so we just took this and we moved it 1 on both. And then we're going to go on D major, which is first finger here, second finger on the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, and then this ring finger is going to go on the 2nd. So you're going to go like this. You're going to go like this. F, C, D major. F, C, D major. Only met on the weekend. Said I'm not catching feelings. Oh, I see a light. D major. Driving off on the deep end. Driving off on the deep end. So it sounds you can also do it that way. Driving up on the deep end. Can't think of a F. We should see a time. All or nothing. Let's just trust in the high. Oh, barrel down the street. No left, right, left, right. See, I don't wanna see no red lights, red lights. And then you're gonna go back to the fast lane on the beat. Go F10, 5, 10, 5. You're right next to me. Feel the heat going over, overdrive. F going over, C drive. So I hope that helps. So all your basic chords are going to be this bar chord, and then F, the inversion, C, and then you're just going to go D major. And that is how you play Overdrive by Conan Gray. So now I'm just going to sing that again. I'm going to sing this song. This song is amazing. By the way, guys, my Conan stan. I absolutely love this song. He did such a great job. Only met on the weekends. Said I'm not catching feelings. Oh, I guess I lied. Driving up on the deep end. Think of a reason. We should take our time. All or nothing. Let's just trust in the high. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Barrel down the street. No left, right, left, right. I don't wanna see no red lights, red lights. Fast lane on a beat. Go 10, 5, 10, 5. You're right next to me. Feel the heat going overdrive. Going overdrive. Yeah, I know you're a stranger, but I'm liking the danger. Oh, I don't know. Feeling long about labels. Throw the dice on the tables and just let them roll. Let's just trust in the high. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Barrel down the street, no left, right, left, right. I don't wanna see no red lights, red lights. Fast lane on a beat, go 10, 5, 10, 5. You right next to me, feel the heat, going overdrive, going overdrive. All or nothing, let's just trust in the high. All or nothing, you're my ride or die. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Barrel down the street, no left, right, left, right. I don't wanna see no red lights, red lights. Fast lane on a beat, go 10, 5, 10, 5. You right next to me, feel the heat, going overdrive, going overdrive, going overdrive.